Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 2331, that is evaluate Boolean binary tree, and in this we'll be given the root of full binary tree with following properties. A leaf nodes which will having the either the value 0 or 1, where 0 represents false and 1 represents true, and non-leaf nodes have either the value 2 or 3, where 2 represents the Boolean and a Boolean or, and 3 represents the Boolean and. Okay, and the evaluation of the node will be as follows: that if the leaf node is a leaf node, the evaluation is the value of the node, that is true or false, and otherwise evaluate the node's two children and apply the Boolean operation of its value. Okay, so for example, in this we are having that false. We need to firstly go to the root leaf node, and then we have to find the result. For example, in this, let's say we are at this point. So false, we have to do false and true, so that will return me false. So here it will be false, and then true or false, so this will give me true. Okay, so this is how we have to evaluate. For this, we'll just write quickly the logic for the leaf nodes, that if root dot left is equal to null and root dot right is equal to null. Okay, so if this is the case, what we'll have to do, we'll have to return boolean, as it's a boolean, as the return type is boolean, so we'll be returning boolean, and we are having the values that if value is equal to 0, okay, that if the value is 0 is equal to 0, that means it is a false, otherwise that means the expression is true. Okay, so this is just, we'll be returning true, false, or true based. If the value is 0, that comes out to be true, then we if root dot value is equal to 0, that comes out to be true, then we'll be sending false, otherwise true. Okay, and then what we'll do, we'll calculate the result of boolean from left tree, let's call it left tree only. That will be equal to the equation, the function name evaluate uh, tree, and on this we'll be passing the root dot left, and then similarly we'll be finding the right tree. Boolean right tree will be equal to evaluate tree with root dot right. Okay, and then we'll be returning our answers, that will also be based on the basis that if the value is 2 or 3, because 2 means we have to do a or operation, and 3 means we have to do an and operation. So if root dot val will be equal to 2, so in this case we'll be doing or of the tree, so left tree or right tree, otherwise we have to do left tree and right tree. Oh, don't forget to keep these in the parentheses, otherwise it will be difficult for the compiler to understand. Okay, and now let's run it quickly. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works probably fine. Okay, so just wait for it. Thank you for watching.